Your body is incredible. I kid you not. The human body is a complicated system of interrelated organs and systems that continuously perform the tasks required for daily life. For instance, in order to properly break down and digest food while also obtaining the nutrients you need to stay healthy, your mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, and intestines must all work together in unison. While most of us are aware of the fundamental physical processes that keep us alive, you might not be aware of some of the more amazing processes your body does. We've compiled some mind-blowing facts about the human body. So let's get into it. 1. Your gut is the only organ with its own independent nervous system. The term second brain is frequently used to describe your gastrointestinal system, which includes your stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, colon, and rectum. It is the only organ with a 100 million neuron-strong autonomous neural system that is implanted in the gut wall. Consider neurons to be the nervous system's messengers. They deliver information to the cells in your body's muscles, glands, and nerves. This second brain is so strong that it can continue to work even if the vagus nerve, which serves as the main neurological link between your gastrointestinal system and the brain, is cut. This means that even though your brain wouldn't be able to communicate with your gut, neurons in your gut wall would still be able to transmit the information necessary for your digestive tract to function on its own. 2. You lose 200 million skin cells every hour, and these dead skin cells can actually decrease air pollution. Your skin expands quickly, extremely quickly. Up to 5 billion skin cells can be lost in a 24-hour period, or 200 million each hour. Your skin's top layer, the epidermis, is constantly producing new skin cells to replace those that have been lost. In actuality, these new skin cells are produced by 95% of the epidermis's cells. The skin's color is produced by the remaining 5% of cells, melanin. These dead skin cells can be helpful and are a substantial source of household dust, according to the American Chemical Society. Your skin oils, including cholesterol and squalene, are carried off with your dead skin cells when they fall off and gather in the corners of your house and workplace. According to studies, squalene can lower ozone levels, a dangerous pollutant that aggravates asthma symptoms by irritating your eyes, nose, and throat. In actuality, the squalene in settled dust can lower indoor ozone levels by up to 15%, hence reducing indoor pollution levels. 3. Your cornea is unique in that it has no blood vessels. The transparent portion of your eye known as the cornea covers the anterior chamber, the iris, and the pupil, which is the opening in the middle of your eye. Light can penetrate through the cornea's transparency and onto the retina, where it is processed by the brain before being sent to the eye. It's noteworthy to note that your cornea is only transparent because it is one of two tissues in your body devoid of any blood vessels at all. The cornea is clear and devoid of blood vessels, which scientists have known for some time, but they could not explain why until 2006. 4. Your brain shrinks during pregnancy. The phrase pregnancy brain takes on a whole new meaning in light of this reality. According to a 2017 study in the journal Nature Neuroscience, pregnant women had thinner cortical walls and less surface area in the brain's gray matter regions. Instead of being detrimental, this volume loss enhances the brain's capacity to understand social circumstances more quickly, particularly when interpreting the wants and emotions of infants. According to the study, the brain undergoes these evolutionary changes during pregnancy to improve emotion and facial recognition, foster mother-infant bonding, make it easier for a mother to notice her child's needs, and absorb social cues that could potentially endanger her child more quickly. 5. Your veins, capillaries, and arteries would stretch for more than 60,000 miles if laid out flat. Your circulatory system, which consists of blood vessels termed arteries, capillaries, and veins, pump blood when your heart beats. Every portion of your body receives blood through these blood vessels. Veins return blood to the heart, arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart, and capillaries link them all together. The extensive network of blood veins in a typical youngster would span more than 60,000 miles if laid end to end. They would extend for approximately 100,000 miles in a typical adult. Nearly 80% of this length would be made up of your capillaries, which are the smallest blood vessels in your body. The circumference of the Earth is about 25,000 miles, in contrast. This implies that one person's blood arteries could circle the planet several times. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.